In this video, we will be looking at the basic maths that you need to have to solve questions from JEE and NEET. So first, let us start with trigonometry. So 1 degree is converted into 60 minutes and 1 minute is converted into 60 seconds. 1 rad is approximately equal to 57.3 degree, and degree to radian multiplied by pi by 180 degree, and radian to degree multiplied by 180 degree divided by pi. Sine is the ratio of opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta opposite by adjacent, cot theta adjacent by opposite, sec theta hypotenuse divided by adjacent, cosec theta over hypotenuse divided by opposite, and sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. The first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In the second quadrant, only sin theta and cosec theta are positive. In the third quadrant, only tan theta and cot theta are positive. In the fourth quadrant, only cos theta and sec theta are positive. So the ranges of trigonometric functions: range of sin theta is from -1 to +1, range of cos theta is from -1 to +1, range of tan theta is from -infinity to positive infinity. And for the approximation of angle, if theta is small, that is less than 45 degree, sin theta is approximately equal to theta, and cos, we will observe some standard graphs and their equations. So first we have the equation of a line, which is y is equal to mx minus v, which is straight line, and next we have a line with a positive slope and a line with negative slope. If the theta is less than 90 degree, the slope will be positive. If the theta is greater than 90 degree, the slope will be negative. Differentiation. Physical meaning of dy by dx equal to 1. The ratio of small change in the function y and the variable x is called the average rate of change of y with respect to x. When delta x tends to 0, the limiting value of delta y by delta x is limited delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x, that is dy by dx. The main formulas for differentiation: derivative of a constant is equal to 0, derivative of a constant multiplied by a function, we can take the constant out of the derivative. And if we are to find the derivative of u plus v plus w, where all of these are the functions of x, we can just find the derivative of the individual terms and find the algebraic sum of it. And then we have the product rule and the quotient rule. For the product rule, we have the first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of the first term. Okay. And the quotient rule: denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. Okay. Then d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. And now some important formula for differentiation. D by dx of sin x, that is derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, and derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Derivative of tan x equal to sec square x, derivative of cot x equal to minus cosec square x, and the derivative of cosec x equal to minus cosec x into cot x, and the derivative of log x with the base e is equal to 1 by x, and the derivative of e raised to x equal to e raised to x itself, and the derivative of e raised to ax is equal to a into e raised to x. And the concept of maximum and minima: if the dy by dx equal to 0 and the d square y divided by dx square is positive, then it is minima. And if it is negative, integration: if I is the integration of f of x with respect to x, then I is equal to integral f of x dx. So the main formula of integration: integration of x raised to n dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. The c is a constant and the n should not be equal to minus 1. Integral sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. integral cos x dx equal to sin x plus c, integral of 1 by x dx equal to log x with base e plus c, and integral of e raised to x dx equal to e raised to x plus c. And if we have to put a limit to the integrals, we will be getting a definite integral, or else it will be an indefinite integral. And the area under the curve is the shaded area between the curve and the x-axis is integral with limit a to b f of x dx. We can observe the figure in here. A quadratic equation solutions. General solution x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If the b square minus 4ac term is equal or greater than 0, it is for real numbers. If the b square is minus 4ac is less than 0 or negative, it will be an imaginary number. The binomial expression, algebraic expression having two terms only, is called a binomial expression. And then we will have the binomial theorem in here, and then the logarithm main formulas. Log of mn is equal to log of m plus log of n. Log of m raised to n is equal to n into log m, and log of m by n is equal to log m minus log n, and log of m with base e is equal to 2.303 log of m with base 10. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. The sum of n terms can be found out by the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d is equal to n by 2 into a plus nth term. Sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of squares of first n numbers n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Geometric progression. Geometric progression is equal to a into ar square, ar cube, ar raised to n minus 1. A is the first term and r is the common ratio. Sum of n terms